Hey growth-minded friends, ever wonder why you feel as grumpy as a cat on a rainy day after a marathon screen session? That's because our brains get deceived by too much screen time. Yep, screens emit this sneaky blue light that tricks our brains into thinking it's still party time, even when it's way past our bedtime. That's why trying to sleep afterwards can feel like trying to solve a math problem without a calculator. Pretty frustrating, right? But that's not all. Ever notice how after binge watching your favorite show, you feel more down than a soccer team that lost the finals? That's because our brains need more than just digital snacks. They need a full meal of different activities to stay happy. And let's not forget, if you're always glued to your device, you might miss out on some epic real-life action like scoring the winning goal or just relaxing with friends. Experts say to keep an eye on how much time you spend with screens. Think of your screen like a roller coaster ride. Exciting and thrilling the first time around, but if you stay on it too long, you might start to feel dizzy and worn out. What's the game plan to combat the screen invasion? Mix it up. How about swapping some of that screen time for something active? Dust off that old guitar or get the squad together for some real-life adventures. Getting active isn't just good for your muscles, it's like a spa day for your brain. Life's all about balance, right? Think of screen time like dessert. It's great in moderation, but too much can lead to a bellyache, or in this case, a brain ache. Let's keep our digital and real-life activities balanced like a pro juggler. Your mind, mood, and even your brain will thank you for it. Let's power down the screens and power up our lives.